In this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your folders in your KJH Binder. Now, this is to be set up for your use, and you need to make it so that the folders are conveniently named for you. So, for example, language arts is what we call our English classes, our English language arts, and perhaps I want to rename that one because I call it English instead. I can two-finger tap to pull up this menu bar and then come down to rename. And then I want to name it English or ELA and hit OK. Same thing with my social studies class. Maybe I don't call it social studies, I call it United States history or US history or Utah studies. I'm going to two-finger tap to pull up the menu, hit rename, and name it Utah studies. Let's see what other classes we have. We've got math, reading, science, general school information, student-led conferences, Cornell notes, advisory, data, and calendar. Well, what classes do I have that are missing here? Well, I have a dance class, and I need a folder for dance. So I'm going to come up here to New to add a new folder, which is our first option. And then I'm going to label it Dance. Maybe I also have an art class. So I'm going to go New, Folder, Art. Now, if you notice, my binder's set up so that the most recent thing that I've used pops up at the top. You can change that over here. So mine says last modified. Modified is changed. So the last thing I changed is up at the top, but I could change it so that it's in alphabetical order by name. So this has it going down. So our A is at the bottom, our U's at the top. You can switch that with the arrow. So now it's in alphabetical order with my A at the top and U at the bottom. Another thing you can do to organize your folders is give them color. So for example, I could take my science and come here to change color and make it green. That way, when I'm looking for my science folder, it's easier to find. Maybe I'll make my ELA red. And I can make my math blue. I'll make Utah Studies orange. Reading, I'll make purple. And remember, to pull up the menu, you have to two-finger tap. Mine's at the bottom. Maybe I won't do purple and I'll do this teal color. And I can do purple for dance. Two-finger tap, change color, make it purple, and one for art. Maybe I'll use this yellow color. So now you've organized your binder so that you have a folder for each class. You can color coordinate it to make it easier for your use, and you can change the way that the folders are organized.